I got a new contact sensor for my ring alarm. The one that I have in my laundry room has been draining the battery a little faster than normal. So after having it several years, I decided to get a new one. And inside you'll see it has both components. I'm just gonna use this one, the one that has the batteries in it, because I think that's where the issue's coming from, and I'll just keep the other side. So once I pull that tab, you'll see it light up, and I should be able to install it, and I'll do that now. The first step is to add the sensor to your security system in the app, and you can do that with the QR code on the device. I was prompted with a new feature called open door arming. In the past, you would have to bypass sensors if the door was ajar while you were trying to arm it, but now you actually have the option to arm your system while the door is still open. Since the old sensor is already adhered to my door, I'm just going to take the backing off of this one and expose the batteries. Here's the old unit, which I'm just going to remove, and I'll slide the new one on and test it out. The app will prompt you to open and close the door to make sure it's working, and if it's done right, you should get this message letting you know that the setup is complete.